Okay, so for number one, it's pretty simple. What we're just trying to do, let's see, is solve the following absolute value equations. So what we can do is we can just rewrite this as -2 plus x equals, equals 1. But then the opposite of 1 is -1, and we need to do that too. So -2 plus x equals -1. So now we just need to solve what x is. So we can isolate the x. By doing that, you have to add 2 to each side. And then that would leave us that x equals 3. And that solves the first part of our equation, but since it's absolute value, we need to do the other one too. So now we add 2. You have to do the same to the other side. And that leaves us with x equals 1. And those are our answers for number 1. X equals 3 and x equals 1. Now for number 2, we're just going to do the same thing. We can do x minus 3 equals 5. And x minus 3 equals -5. So first we're going to add 3 to both sides. And that gives us x equals 8. That solves the first half. And then lastly, we just add 3. Do the same to the other side. And that gives us x equals -2. There we go. Those are our answers.